In this short video, we will show you how to run traceability reports within Jira to link your BDD scenarios and features to your user stories using AssertThat BDD and Cucumber plugin for Jira. To access the traceability report, click on the Features tab followed by the Traceability Matrix. The traceability report works by displaying Jira user stories, bugs, in fact any other type of Jira issue, and linked scenarios. There are two options to select your user story list. You can enter JQL directly here to display your Jira tickets. More information on writing JQL can be found on the link here or on Jira's help pages. Alternatively, you can select your favourite save filters from the drop-down. The report displays metrics on overall coverage, automated coverage, test status, which can be filtered to display manual or automated scenarios. The report displays the user stories, the features, the scenarios, the mode, whether it is manual or automated, and the test status. It is also possible to download the report in a CSV format by clicking on the link here. You will notice that manual scenarios can have a different status for each user story it is linked to. For example, this scenario, Save Quick Filters based on features and tags, is in a pass status linked to Demo 1, and the same scenario is linked to Demo 12 and is in a failed status. Independent manual scenario execution is an option in the AssertThat configuration page and can be toggled on and off for each project. The AssertThat configuration page is available from Project Settings, then go to the AssertThat integration. If you'd like a demo, then please get in contact at support@assertthat.com. For a free trial, please visit the Atlassian Marketplace and search for AssertThat. Link details will be provided in the notes. Thank you for watching this video.